Okay, so this problem gives us that xy equals 24, xz equals 48, and yz equals 72. And it asks for x plus y plus z. And these three equations are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to start by multiplying 1, 2, and 3 together. So 1 times 2 times 3 equals xy times xz times yz, which equals 24 times 48 times 72. Now, we can see that this is the same thing as 24 times 2 times 24 times 3 times 24. Okay? So we could just say that this is 12 times 24 squared. So that means that xy times xz times yz equals this. So we can also put this in square form. It would be xyz squared equals 12 times 24 squared. If we put a square root on each side, the 2's and the square root cancel out, so we're left with xyz equals 12 times 24. Okay? Okay, so we see that xy, xz, and yz are all fragments of xyz. So we're going to be able to plug these into the equation xyz equals 12 times 24 to get what x, y, and z equal. So we're going to start with the first equation. So we can see that xz is xy is a fragment of xyz. So we could say that 24z equals 12 times 24. Okay? So we can divide by 24 on both sides. So this, and this cancel out. So we're left with z equals 12. Okay? So for the second equation, it says that xz equals 48. And we can see that xz is also a fragment of xyz. So we could say that 48, so for the second equation, 48 y equals 12 times 24. So for this equation, we could also divide by 24 on both sides. So divide by 24 here, divide by 24 here. So these cancel out, this becomes 1 and this becomes 2. So we have that 2y equals 12. So that implies that y equals 6. Okay? For the third equation, it says that yz equals 72, and yz is also a fragment of this, so we're going to be able to plug it in. So that means 72x equals 12 times 24. Okay? So we can divide by 24 on both sides. Here, divide by 24 here. So these cancel out. So we're left with 3x equals 12. So x equals 4. Okay? So we have z equals 12, y equals 6, and x equals 4. So if we do 12 plus 6 plus 4, we get 22. So x plus y plus z is 22, so 22 will be our final answer.